You want to smell edible, you want to get compliments on the way you smell, you want to smell good all day long, then this video is for you. This is going to be a full hygiene routine. We are talking about everything, including down there, back there, oral hygiene, everything. First and foremost, we have got to talk about oral hygiene. You can spray all the perfume in the world. You can use an amazing smelling body lotion, but if your oral hygiene is horrible, you're gonna stink no matter what. No perfume is covering that up. First things first, a tongue scraper. If you do not have a tongue scraper, first of all, you've probably been living under a rock. Second of all, get a tongue scraper. A lot of bad breath actually comes from your tongue. You're gonna get one of these off Amazon, stick it on your tongue, scrape, 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 and you will be amazed at the stuff that comes off of your tongue. This will literally kill your bad breath. It is a miracle product. And it's like a few dollars. Second is to floss. I know this might be like duh to some of you, but a lot of people don't floss. They skip flossing or they only floss like every now and then. You gotta floss every night. I don't know how else to tell you this. You have to floss every single night. This is cocoa floss. This stuff is pricey. It is so incredibly worth it. Won't hurt your gums and it will actually get all the stuff. My dentist recommended it to me. It is the best. If you're still using a manual toothbrush, now is your time to stop. An electric toothbrush cleans your teeth so much better than a manual toothbrush. Trust me on this, switch to an electric toothbrush. Electric toothbrushes can be really expensive, hundreds and hundreds of dollars. This one was, I think, $90 and it works so well. Last but not least in the oral hygiene category, mouthwash. Specifically this one from TheraBreath. This is their overnight mouthwash. So this is gonna kill bacteria and any nasty smell you have in your mouth overnight. This is the best mouthwash. It doesn't burn like Listerine does. It is simply, it's the best. Moving right along to your shower routine. Listen, if you are still using a loofah, throw it away. Loofahs hold on to so much bacteria. They don't properly dry in your shower. They just kind of stay wet for so long. It holds bacteria. It's just, loofahs are nasty. Get yourself a silicone brush. This one is so soft. When you mix it with soap, it lathers so well and it scrubs your entire body. This thing is the best. You can use this side if you want to get in a little bit deeper, and then you can just hang it and it dries. It doesn't hold bacteria. It's not disgusting. This thing, I've gone through so many of these. I love this. It comes in pink, it comes in blue, so many colors. On the topic of scrubbing your body, an African net sponge. Please do yourself a solid and get one of these. I suffer from back acne personally. I will put my face wash on this, put it on my back and go like this. You are going to scrub your back so incredibly well. Your back is never going to feel as clean as it does than when you use this. Trust me on this. And you can use this on your entire body if you want. The best. Really good for exfoliating too. Then comes your body wash. I'm going to need you to double cleanse. The first cleanse you're gonna do is with a Dove bar of soap, specifically the unscented one. All over your body, scrub with this. Having a good wash for down there is so incredibly important. So many people say, oh, just use water. Personally, I gotta use soap. I gotta use soap to feel clean. However, use an unscented soap. This one is from Medicine Mama. It's a gel formula. It foams up really nicely. It is so incredibly gentle. It's not drying. It's not irritating. It is the best. And it's a big bottle. It's gonna last you a long time. Then you're going to go in for your second cleanse. You can use any body wash you like. I specifically love this one from Salt and Stone. I try to stock up on these when they're on sale because it is pricey, but I feel like splurging on a body wash or body care is just so worth it because I don't know about you, but my shower is like me time and I just feel the best in the shower. I don't know if that's like a great way to say that, but I just feel so good when I'm showering and I'm taking care of myself. So a good body wash, splurge on it, treat yourself. This one smells identical to Baccarat Rouge 540. If you know, you know. Smells like an expensive hotel. It smells like luxury. Truly it does. I love, and it gets you so clean. Love. Out of the shower, I'm gonna change your life with a few tips right here. Boom. Glycolic acid from The Ordinary. What you're gonna do is take this on a cotton pad and rub it under your armpits, okay? This is going to help so much with smell. If you do this every single night, you can pretty much go without using deodorant. Glycolic acid kills bacteria so incredibly well. Trust me on this. I have put so many people onto this and the amount of DMs I get, people thanking me for using this, needs to be studied. Now, this is the fun part. We're gonna get into the products that are going to make you smell absolutely edible. EOS, if you've never heard of this brand, get yourself a bottle of this lotion. It's like $9, something around there. It is probably the best lotion I have ever used. It lathers so well. It's hydrating without being greasy. I have really sensitive skin and this doesn't flare up my eczema or anything like that. This is in the scent Creme de Pistachio. Don't tell anyone I told you this, but this smells identical to Sol de Janeiro for $9. You did not hear it here. Lather this all over your entire body. You will smell so good. EOS also makes a vanilla scent of this. If you are a vanilla girly, look no further. The vanilla scent of this lotion, your new holy grail. You're gonna thank me for this one, I promise. One more thing, if you have a smell coming from back there, this is a little TMI. Take witch hazel, put it on a cotton round and give yourself a little wipe back there. You'll get rid of the smell. You will feel so fresh, so clean. Again, I have put so many people onto this specific tip. You're welcome. So you've just applied your lotion. It is time to go in with an amazing smelling perfume. I'm gonna give you some perfume tips as well to make your perfume last a little bit longer. Some people just be spraying it and hoping for the best. No, I have so many perfumes I could put you onto. My perfume collection, I'm a hoarder of perfumes. So I can make a whole video about perfumes because your girl is a hoarder. However, some affordable-ish options. You can get these both on Amazon. This is the Ambery Saffron scent. I am actually out of this. This smells identical to Baccarat Rouge 540. It truly, sometimes I even prefer this one a little bit more than Baccarat Rouge 540. This one is absolutely amazing. We also have Fleur Honeymoon. This one has notes of honey, orange blossom, a little bit of vanilla. It's such a unique scent. You will just smell so fresh and so clean. The hack to smelling good truly all day long is spraying your perfume correctly and in the right places. I'm gonna demonstrate with this one because this is the one I've been wearing. You're gonna spray in a few different areas. First, your neck, 2 sprays. Then the back of your neck. People underestimate this. When someone goes in to hug you, they are smelling the back of your neck. They're not smelling the front of your neck. So spray the back of your neck. Then you're going to spray what they call the hot points or the heat points. Your belly, boom, the back of the knees, and then your forearms. And don't rub it in. That's the mistake so many people make. They do this and then they rub it. That ruins the particles of the perfume. It can make your perfume smell a little different. Do not do that. I don't know who started doing that. Another tip is to get your hands on hair perfume. This one is from Kitsch. This is the Warm Sugar. This smells so good. If you're already using a vanilla scented perfume, get a vanilla scented hair perfume. It smells so good. I smell divine right now. I wish you guys could smell me through the screen. It's intoxicating. Truly, it is. Do this entire routine and I can guarantee you are going to get compliments from people you don't even know. People are going to be asking you what your perfume combo is, and you're going to see that people are just a little more attracted to you than they were before. Let me know if you guys want me to make another video like this. I can also do a shower care routine, a more in-depth down there hygiene routine, literally anything. Also, all the products that I talked about in this video, I will have linked on my Amazon storefront. Everything will be in the description bar, super easy to find. Also follow me on Instagram and TikTok because I post every day on there.